What diagnoses your car? Let's see what's hidden under the bonnet of modern diagnostics. Computer diagnostics. Diagnostic scanner. It acts as a translator for all the car's electronic control units, ECUs. Plugs directly into the vehicle's OBD port. In seconds, it reads both stored and active fault codes. It also allows you to view live sensor data in real time. This shows exactly how the systems behave while the engine is running. Subscribe to the channel. This saves time. It shows you the areas to focus on instead of checking the whole car. Electrics and electronics. Multimeter measures the voltage, current, and electrical resistance and is used to perform continuity tests. The voltage shows whether the battery is charged and the alternator is supplying the correct current. Current readings are the best way to spot parasitic drain that occurs overnight. Measuring resistance allows you to compare coils and sensors against factory specs to quickly spot faults. Continuity mode helps you discover open circuits and unstable wiring connections quickly. Test lamp. A simple way to confirm the presence of power in a circuit. It checks the circuit under load, making it easy to spot poor connections and voltage drops. Battery/load tester. Applies a controlled load to the battery. Shows the real-time battery capacity and internal resistance. Helps prevent starting issues in the future. Engine and control systems. Compression tester. Measures the pressure in each cylinder. Identifies worn piston rings or leaking valves before they become a catastrophe. Comparing readings across all cylinders gives you a clear picture of the engine's health. Oil pressure gauge. Checks the lubrication system by measuring the pressure created by the oil pump. Fuel pressure gauge. Measures the operating pressure in the vehicle's fuel rail. Evaluates the efficiency of the entire system from the fuel pump to the pressure regulator. Any deviation from the norm will directly disrupt the fuel atomization process of the injectors. This leads to rough idling, loss of power, or starting issues. Vacuum gauge. Measures the vacuum level in the intake system. Indispensable for finding leaks and faults in vacuum lines. Allows you to check the brake booster, EGR valve, and turbocharger control systems. Helps identify leaks in components such as the combustion chamber. Endoscope/inspection camera. Allows you to look into hard-to-reach places without disassembling everything. Provides a direct view of the pistons and combustion chambers. Carbon buildup and internal damage become clearly visible. timing light, stroboscope. Flashes in perfect synchronization with the ignition pulses. A professional way to visually check the ignition timing. Smoke machine. Fills sealed systems with smoke. If the smoke escapes from the unit, there is a leak. Used to identify leaks in the intake, exhaust, and cooling systems. Mechanical and bodywork diagnostics. Thickness gauge. Measures the thickness of the paintwork. Helps detect body filler and hidden signs of accident repairs. Indispensable when verifying a car's true history. Hydrometer and refractometer. Measure the density and concentration of antifreeze, electrolyte, screen wash, and brake fluid. If any of the values are above or below the recommended amounts, the respective systems are less efficient. Dial indicator with magnetic stand. Detects even slight movements and play. Essential for checking brake disc runout. Allows you to check the hub alignment and the levelness of rotating parts. Modern car diagnostics are all about precision, not guesswork. Having the right gear saves you time, money, and a lot of headaches. What's your go-to diagnostic tool at home? Let us know in the comments.